Understand your screen. On the top right side, you will see two views, tabular view or the chart view. The tabular view shows member-wise device count, providing a quick summary of your assets and software. The chart view shows the same thing in a chart format. Below this, you'll find the following 5 tabs. Asset Management, Alerts, Purchase Subscription, Master, Reports. Each tab displays its own module-specific data and filters. For example, the Asset Management tab shows filters related only to asset management. Asset Table. Scroll down to view the Asset Details table, where information about all your assets is displayed. Click the view icon for any asset to open its detailed information in a pop-up window. Asset Details. The pop-up contains 6 tabs, each showing a different category of asset information. Simply switch between the tabs to view the required details. Number of entries. Use the number of entries filter to choose how many number of assets you want to display at once for easier navigation. Thank you.